Our Bible text for today is taken from the book of Jeremiah 33 verse 6. The Lord says, "Behold, I will bring it health and cure. I will cure them and reveal unto them the abundance of peace and truth." Hello everyone, welcome once again to LV Amor Vlogs, and this is your friend Lou Amor. Today I'm going to share with you how to cure GERD related vertigo in 5 minutes without taking the meds. So, before going on further, please allow me to refresh our minds. What are the foods to eat and what not to eat? First, let us go to the don'ts. Number 1 on the list is please avoid fatty and oily foods, hot and spicy foods, hot yung maanghang. Avoid the citrus fruits. Mostly of the citrus fruits are not GERD friendly. And avoid junk food and the caffeine, chocolates, the soft drinks, the coffee. Avoid everything that are pleasant to our taste. Yun ang mga hindi gusto ng GERD natin. Now let us go to the dose or yung kaya nating kainin. We can eat all kinds of bland food. Bland, yung hindi talaga pleasing sa ating taste buds. So, the fish, the tinola, the tinapaan, the sinugba, no? And then, water only. For the fruits, I can recommend 5 because these fruits work well with my GERD. So, number 1 is avocado, star apple, all kinds of banana, watermelon, and the red apple. Yung red, hindi yung green or yellowish, yung red talaga. Friendly yan sa ating tummy, no? So those are the foods that we can eat and we cannot eat. And please exercise self-control because GERD is a lifestyle disease, so self-control is necessary para ma-stop or ma-minimize natin ang ating GERD discomfort, no? So, yun lang naman. And then, let's go to vertigo. I'm going to give you my own description of vertigo because I have been there 10 years. 10 years akong nagdusa ng vertigo. So, ang vertigo is like a spinning wheel. Umiikot talaga ang mundo natin. Yun ang vertigo. Ang vertigo ko, grabe, no? Everything I see, bumabaliktad yan lahat. It turned upside down. Yung tables, yung chairs, decoration, yung selling, iwan ko kung saan na pupunta na ano na talaga, no? Yun ang vertigo ko. So, I would like to share with you how I combat or how I manage to control or not control, get rid of my vertigo. So, I will just make a long story short. There was a time, in a span of 1 month, I landed in the hospital for 6 times. 6 times I landed in the hospital in a span of 1 month dahil sa vertigo. And so, talagang naano na ako, frustrated, devastated, hindi ko na alam kung anong gawin. So, I visited a doctor and he prescribed a very famous anti-vertigo meds. He instructed me to take it 3 times a day for 2 months. And so religiously, I took the meds 3 times a day. But to my surprise, after taking it more than 2 weeks, nag-vertigo na naman ako. So, again, I landed in the hospital. And so, yung nakauwi ako sa bahay, still groggy. I cannot walk, I cannot stand, I cannot lie down all by myself. I need somebody to assist me, to help me to move around. So talagang ganyan, grabe talaga. And so, yung kasambahay namin, sabi niya, ano bang sakit mo? Then I told her, vertigo and GERD. Sabi niya, ano ba yan? Kung yung GERD parang kabuhi yon, yung vertigo, lipong-lipong. Siya, alam ko na. Pag yung kabuhi mo ay umaakyat patungong utak mo, sigurado ako mapraning ka, matralala ka talaga. And so, I told her, simba ko, God forbid. So, what shall I do? And then, she told me, teka lang muna, may kunin ako. When she got back, may dala na siyang gunting. Para ano yung gunting? Siya ba, masikip siguro yung short pants at underwear mo. Tingnan ko yan. So, she pulled my short pants and she guessed it right. Talagang masikip na masikip ang short pants ko. So, what she did, ginunting niya 1 inch ang both sides ng short pants ko and at the back, tig 1 inch. And immediately after she cut my short pants, right side, left side at the back, talagang nawala ang vertigo ko immediately. And so I'm sharing this to you because baka naman ang problema ninyo ay dahil sobrang sikip ng mga gamit natin, damit natin, no? Yung mga body hugging talaga, yung mga underwear natin baka masikip na masikip. So, the tendency is the acid goes up to our brain, kaya nga nagvertigo na siya. So, I am sharing this. Hopefully, I can help. So, gunting lang ang katapat. Try to fit your shorts, your skinny pants, your maong pants kung hindi ba masikip. Before, when I buy my shorts and maong pants, 28 ang pinipili kong waistline. Kasi 28 naman ang waistline ko. Pero ngayon, 34 na talaga because ayokong magka-vertigo ulit. And so, by the grace of God, 3 years na akong free from vertigo. I am free from the bondage of that vertigo symptom, and for my GERD, manageable and tolerable na. Hindi na ako masyadong nagsuffer ng GERD. Pero ano lang, hindi talaga ako nagpagutom, hindi naman sobrang busog. Because yun lang naman dalawang ang makapatrigger ng GERD, yung gutom at saka busog. And so, problem solved in just 5 minutes and without taking the meds. Hindi na ako nag-meds ngayon sa aking vertigo because nawala na talaga. And so, again, for our Bible verse, Jeremiah 33:6, behold, I will bring it health and cure. I will cure them and reveal unto them the abundance of peace and truth. Now, I have that complete peace because my vertigo lumalayas na, naglayas na, hindi na naglambing sa akin. And so, have a good and godly day everyone, and pag nagustuhan ninyo ang content ng ating vlog, feel free to subscribe. And sa katapusan, please remember, mahal tayo ng Panginoon. At meron siyang solusyon sa bawat problema natin if we allow Him to help us. Okay? So, again, have a good and godly day. Until the next time around. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!